everyone, Sarah back again today, and I am playing with the Sweet Summer Kit from Color Rush Studio. I am going to be doing another 8.5 by 11 layout, but I'm going to use 3 photos on this one. I'm going to go ahead and back each and every one of them. Right now I'm looking for a little more white cardstock. I have a little thing next to me that I usually keep my scraps in so I can keep using them. But I didn't have a piece big enough, so I went ahead and cut another 8.5 by 11 sheet down. So I'm going to go ahead and end up matting all of these on this one. I do tend to matte a lot of my photos on white. I don't know why. I kind of just started doing it and never really stopped. A lot of the time I will put other layers behind them. But with these, I don't put a lot except for the background, which is, there's a lot of layering on the background as well around my photos and everything. So I'm going to go ahead and trim those down, and I'm going to try to pick out what papers I'm going to use. I don't have a lot. I think this is my last paper with the hearts on it, and that was my last polka dot paper as well. And so I'm going to use these two right here. I decided to use the one with the summer sayings on it, and then the yellow hearts with the white background. I really just think it's too cute. I'm going to cut it down so it'll fit on a 11-inch piece of paper, 8.5 by 11. But I cut them down so they kind of overlap a little bit. And then that way I can go ahead and rough these up. And there's a little area where I can stick under some more of the ribbon and stuff like that. This is from this is other things you can get in the shop. That was some of the ribbons and frazzles. And I wanted to use the blue on this one because I pretty much used all of the pink from this month's stuff. And I decided I wanted blue instead of pink. And I love the gingham and everything. It's gorgeous. It just wasn't what I wanted on here. I wanted a solid to break up what I already had. So I went ahead and grabbed from my stash some of the gorgeous bobble ribbon there. I don't know what it's called. It's trim ribbon. But I grabbed that, and I'm going to go ahead and use that here on this layout. I'm also going to pop this side of my photo up because that trim does kind of make it stick up a little more. I'm actually gonna have to stick a second piece of foam back there so that it's up high enough. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that really quick. That makes it high enough, and then these two photos can lay flat. And then I have got a ton of pieces that I have fussy cut out of the gorgeous, gorgeous paper this month. And I think I've scrapbooked these photos before, but like I said, if you've watched any of my other videos, I am scrapbooking a bunch of photos for my mom as well for her 8.5 by 11 album. So yeah, that's what I'm doing. You see a bunch of stuff that I pulled out down there to the bottom left-hand side of my screen. These are other things that we've gotten in past kits and things that you can get in the shop as well. These are just gorgeous butterflies, and they're all sparkly, and the sparkles don't come off or anything like that. It's just within the butterfly already. So I went ahead and grabbed the yellow and the pink one and used both of those. And, excuse me. I'm going ahead and roughing up the edges of my flowers that I went ahead and fussy cut out, and I'm going to slide them under my photos where I want them, and then I'm going to start sticking my photos down themselves. I just want to be able to layer them where I want. And so I'm going ahead and doing that. I also cut out some more of these larger, ice creams and popsicles, and I'm going to stick that butterfly there and the butterfly up top here. But I cut out some of those so I could use them for layering as well. These gorgeous sunglasses, multiple pair came in the ephemera pack. I used them all already, so I had to fussy cut more out. I don't mind doing that. Perfectly fine with me. I put another popsicle up top. I'm actually going to add another one here in a minute, but I wanted to make sure to get that ribbon cut down or glued down so that I could cut it when I was done. I also went ahead and grabbed some of these adorable clouds out of my stash. They're from Color Rush as well. You can find them in the shop. But I'm going to use these blue ones. In the pack, it comes with 2 blue and 2 white. I'm going to actually use both blue ones. And that's what I'm pulling out now. And I'm going to go ahead and glue those down. I had already stuck that other popsicle up there, so it's already where I want it. And I went ahead and stuck this one down, added a little extra glue. My glue usually tacks pretty fast, so it's not a big deal. I'm going to trim this off, just a little bit that was left over. and I'm trying to make sure that I have everything where I want it. And I decided, just realizing honestly that I didn't have a title. So I grabbed that piece of paper that's over there on the left-hand side of my layout, and I cut out the sunrise, sunburn, sunset, repeat. And I'm going to use that as my title because we were on vacation when these photos were taken. It was gorgeous and sunny out, and we loved it. And I've never seen a merry-go-round like that before. And that's what they called that. That is a merry-go-round. And it was just the oddest thing, but the kids absolutely loved it. So, I mean, it was great. But I'm fussy cutting those words out right now. And then I'm going to stick them to the bottom, right below my photo, kind of on top of that flower here in just a second. I thought I'd stick it over on the other side, but it blends in too much with the other words. So I went ahead and just stuck it right there. And that finishes this layout for me. I really hope that you enjoy this. Make sure to check out the links below so you can go ahead and head over to the shop and grab some things if you would like. Thank you so much for watching this. Please remember to like and subscribe, and I hope that you have a great day.